The IB makes lifelong learners who are capable of leading with courage, compassion, and integrity. We all repair the world, one small step at a time. As IBEN members, we are held to the same profile traits at an even higher standard. Everything we believe in, how we organize, what we teach, and how we assess our learners, it all revolves around our Tikkun Olam, our individual paths to make the world a better place to be. At our school, it's one single step for a child and a giant leap for our community. As a head of school, a teacher, a coordinator, a member of staff, a student, or even a parent, what is your Tikkun Olam?